So happy Sunday, guys. So right now we're gonna take a look at the watch list for tomorrow. So market's kind of complicated right now. If you look at the SPY, right now we have some divergence to the downside. The RSI most likely will get back to the 50. And if you look at the histogram, looks like we have a squeeze building to the downside. We had some selling pressure back on Friday, and look at all these dojis and like a dragonfly candle. So if we break the low tomorrow, so we can expect SPY to go to 414. And what I would do is I would look for a reversal candle right there. However, if you look at the 1 hour chart, we did say that this level needs to hold, and if this level curls up on the 5 minute, like what we see right here, we do have potential to reverse. So the problem is this is happening all in pre-market, so we still do need a pullback. But if we do pull back, the chances are the 20 SMA, which is this blue line, will go face down or turn down. So we might have potential to reach 414. So if you look at the hourly chart, unless these curls above, the moving averages cross over, and we hold a bull flag, the chances are we will push back up on Tuesday. But if you see, we have a big red cloud over here, so my bias is down on the hour, especially if we do get rejected over here. With that said, I want to talk to you guys about some individual tickers like Tesla. Tesla just hit the buy zone. We had a crossover on the 20 crossover in the hour. However, it is hitting a red cloud right now. So what I want to see on Monday is we get a pullback, like probably get a pullback around here, break above the buy zone, come back down, test it, hold, and then we can push to 740. That is going to be play number one. So keep the chart in mind for Tesla going in tomorrow. JP Morgan, if you look at the daily, it's over the cloud, huge green cloud, over moving averages. So the bias should be up, but short term, these just crossed below. I would like to see a pullback right here. If we hit 152 tomorrow, I would scale in some calls, and our price target is right up here. And let's see, where else do we get? We should be getting another price target with the fib. So another price target would be 156.34 and 157.68. But this is the high, so we'll just do 157.25 or 26. So that's JP Morgan. JNJ, red cloud. However, if we open here tomorrow, we would be inside the cloud. But if you look at the daily of JNJ, this was a direct cloud bounce. So if tomorrow we indeed gap up, we need to watch 163.48. We need to watch that level, see if we can curl back above. If we don't curl back above, I would just wait, probably take no place. However, I do believe that this is holding its bull flag, so my bias in JNJ is up. Goldman. So this was almost a reversal candle yesterday, but it didn't close below this hammer candle, hammer candle. But if it does, look to buy at 343.81. This should be a good place to buy calls, and your target will just be the high, which is right here, 353.83. So that's a Goldman. Facebook. So this one had like a killer earnings, however, it is dying inside candle. So the only way to play this really is if it breaks below this and closes below. Your next entry is 315.88 for calls. If you see RSI, it kind of topped out going back to the 50. If that hits the 50, I think 315.88 would be a great buy zone. Wait for a new pattern. That's FB. If you look at the hourly, we do have a bull flag. So confusing chart, but we would just need to just watch that. Disney. So I do like this chart. So yes, Thursday we had a morning star pattern, downtrend, hammer on the 10 MA inside the cloud. Now we have a bullish engulfing inside the cloud and also over the 20 SMA. So your buy zone's 185.82. If you zoom into the hourly, look, as long as we hold 185.82, we should be able to push to 187 and 190. And I think earnings is still 2 weeks away. So keep Disney in mind. And I think that's it for the watch list, honestly. I don't see anything else that's interesting since a lot of these guys have a crappy chart. They're all below the hourly. XOM curled below, no good. Win looks okay. If you look at the daily, also looks okay actually. RSI at the 50, so maybe we can take a play of win. However, this green candle is inside this gigantic red, so that's an inside bar. I usually don't like to play inside bars because the range of the day is from here to here, so it can bounce up and down $7. I wouldn't touch it. VLO, no good. But yeah, I think Amazon actually, since it just had ER. So that is a bearish candle. It had a really decent ER though. So if you look over here, it retraced all the way. The 10 broke the 20, most likely gonna cross below. However, if we just wait for a new pattern, we can just take the high. And this guy right here, it looks like 347.53 and 345.753 or 342.773 would be the best buy zones for this guy. So right now we are here. If we pull down right here to the 61.8, your buy zone would be right here at the 3,500 line, and your stop loss is just below. However, your target would be about 37.10. So really good risk reward. So yeah, just keep Amazon in mind. But if you guys watch this video and you guys think of a chart, just show me. I will post it in our Facebook group and I'll take a look at it. So yeah, happy trading, guys. Just don't go too crazy on the position size because we are definitely in chop zone. So I would maybe do half size or less size. And then when we have confirmation where we're going, so basically our confirmation for breakout is if we clear this high. Like right now, we're still in this resistance. However, if we close above, we clear this high. That just means we have room for the next move up. And that's when you can go full size again. So again, happy trading week. And I'll see you guys soon.